what's up, everyone? We are live back with our first break Saturday night. Then we're gonna do 1523 first, which is one box of Black Diamond, one box of Artifacts, and one box of Buyback. This is round 3, and then we're gonna do the basketball break, and then we're gonna finish up with round 4, which will be the remaining boxes of the break. Okay, so here we go. Let's see who gets the Canucks. Good luck to you all. This will be a fast one. The hockey ones are very, very quick breaks because there's only one pack of Black Diamond, one pack of Buyback, and Artifacts has 8 packs. So it'll be very quick there. Good luck. Let's see who gets the Canucks. You bought 3 or more teams, you get double the entries to the Canucks. Dice roll is 2. That will not do. We'll take that off right there. So there you go, guys. These are the names all the way to Jared Cranwell that had the Winnipeg Jets. And then these are all the extra entries. I think Anthony bought 13 teams. So he gets 13 extra. Paul Roberts, 6 extra. And Robert Suika, 6 extra. Let's do the dice roll again. Our dice roll is 3 times, guys. 3 times. Did I delete the... Yeah. 3 times. Team on top, name on top gets the Canucks. Good luck. 1, 2. Third and final. The Canucks are Anthony Foster again. There you go, Anthony. Congrats. You get the Canucks. So let's go in here. And... you won them yesterday, but no Canucks cards. Let's see if we can get you a Canucks card this time. Oh, we need the dice roll again to pick the boxes for this, and the remaining 2 will be done for round 4. 3 times is the dice roll again, guys. We got boxes number 1, 3, and 4. So 1, 3, and 4. After 3 times, we'll see which box it picks. 1, 2, and 3. 4. Number 4 is going all in this break, as you can see right there. Four. So there you go for Black Diamond. As you can see, we have 1, 3, and 4. So 4 goes. So 1 and 3 will be next round. Final round. There you go. 1, 3, and 4. 4 goes here. And then 1, 3, and 4. You guys saw the serial numbers. We showed it on day 1. And that's right there. So there you go. That's the final round right there, guys. That's coming up after the basketball break. Hopefully we have enough time to do it. There's Buyback. There's this one. And there is Artifacts. Good luck, guys. Let's see. Go on the comments there, and we'll start. Oh, my God. Paul Roberts, you're absolutely right. What's wrong with me? Every time. Oh, my God. If it wasn't for Paul Roberts, I would have forgot every single time. You're absolutely right. So this is, I brought 2. That'll be for the next one. I'll put it here. I won't forget. Quickly gonna do that for the tins. Thanks, Paul. 3 times again. Oh, God. Name on top wins the tin. 1. Good luck, guys. 2. Third and final tin is Robert Suika. Congrats, Robert Suika. You win the tin. If you're watching live, Robert, let me know. I can break it for you later. 1523. Robert Suika wins that tin. Okay. Paul Roberts. Wow, if it wasn't for you, I would have forgot him every time. Remember, it happened yesterday, Joshua. He reminded me, I got the tin and he won it. Unfortunately, not today. So there you go, guys. Artifacts. First one. Good luck. Spot holders are on the left-hand side of the screen. Let's pull some heat. Thank you, Anthony, for buying 13 teams in here and 20 teams in the next one. Greatly appreciate your support every time. Here we go. We have a Chicago. That's not bad. That should be Kirby Dak. Rookie redemption. Chicago is Anthony. We have a Vegas Knights Marc-Andre Fleury, 116 out of 699. Joshua loves that card probably. Vegas is Robert Suica. We have an Orem card, Derek Stepan, Arizona Coyotes. Arizona is Paul Roberts. We have an Emerald of Ray Bork, 18 out of 99, Boston Bruins. We have Eric Brenstrom, 20 out of 299, rookie bronze, Ottawa. And Kyle Palmieri, 48 out of 165, New Jersey Devils, dual jersey. And we have another Emerald. Wow, this every round we had an Emerald card. And we have an Emerald for the Jets, 27 out of 65, going out to the Jets fan, Jared Cranwell, a.k.a. Jared William. Congrats. 3-color patch and a jersey. And, oh, nice Quinn Hughes. Very nice. 183 out of 399, Ruby rookie Quinn Hughes for the Canucks. Going out to Anthony. Okay, there is our first box. Next box is Black Diamond. Box number 90. Nice Capo Caco. 64 out of 99. Rookie draft day. New York Rangers. Capo Caco. Wow, what a thin pack this one is. Crazy how thin this pack is. Jack Eichel to 249 for the Buffalo Sabres. Jerry. For the Buffalo Sabres, 324 of 399. Rookie of Victor Olofsson. Is that an autograph? Yeah, it's an autograph. We'll keep that one. Oh, wow. We got 2 autographs in this one. Not bad. For the Nashville Predators, local kit. 18 out of 399. Rookie gem autograph. Dante Fabro. Nice hit, Paul Roberts. For the Leafs, 97 out of 249. Andreas Janssen, rookie signature, silver on black. This should be last year's. Yeah, 18-19 update. Andreas Janssen, rookie autograph. Toronto, Anthony. And we finish with Jack Hughes. Very nice. Rookie jumbo logo. New Jersey Devils. Jack Hughes. There you go, Anthony. And we finish with buyback. Box number 4. So the other half of these cases, guys, will start going on the website on Monday. So Monday at 3 o'clock, we're going to have round 1 with a new case. The other side of both Black Diamond, Artifacts, and Buybacks. So we do have a buyback. 43 out of 199, Taylor Hall, New Jersey Devils. And our buyback, is it big? Is it big? It's a thin card. Is it? Ooh, that's a nice one. 4 out of 5, Montreal Canadiens, Patrick Waugh. He was the last team sold. Montreal was the last team sold. Frank Ballardo snoops them and hits a nice Patrick Roy, 4 out of 5. Very nice. Nice hit. And that is buybacks for you, and this is break number 1523. Thank you all for your support. Sorry if you did not get a hit. Unfortunately, that's how it goes sometimes. Okay, guys. Basketball time coming up right after this. Thank you.